Good morning everybody. So in this video I'm going to solve some more questions based on the laws of exponent, and of course the level of the question will be higher than the previous video. So I hope the laws have become very clear to all of you and you have solved also many questions. So let's solve more questions based on laws of exponent. Okay, so start solving with me. So question number 1. X to the power 2a plus 7 dot x 2a minus 8. Clear? Then the next question is 3y dot 3 to power 2 dot 3 to the power minus 4. Okay. Now, next question I am writing here. I hope this is enough to solve. 2 to the power 4a. I am writing question here so that you all can solve it. So, 2 to the power 3a dot 2 to the power minus a. And the fourth question is 4x square y square divided by 9x to the power 3 and y to the power 3. Clear? So first we will solve all these 4 questions. Okay. Now start. So x 2a plus 7 and x 2a minus 7. What is the basic concept that we will use here? When the bases are same, what we have to do with the powers? We have to add the powers. Clear? So we will write here x to the power 2a plus 7 plus 2a minus 8. And so x to the power 2a and 2a, 4a, and plus 7 and minus 8, minus 1. And so this will be what? This will be the answer. Clear? In this type of question, how we will solve? Bases are same here. Again, we will use the concept. When the bases are same, we will add the powers. Y plus 2 minus 4. Clear? So, what we will get here? We will get 3 to the power y minus 2. Because y, we can't do anything with the y, but plus 2 and minus 4 minus 2. And this will be the answer. Now, here we come. Here also, same concept, 2, then 4a plus 3a minus a. So, it will be what? 4 and 3, 7. 7a minus a, and so it will be what? 2 to the power 6a, and this will be the answer. Now, next 4x square y square, division sign is here, so we will write like this. Clear? I need more space here, so let's do with this. So 4x square y square divided by 9 x to the power 3, y to the power 3. So here it will be what? We can't do with anything with the numbers because these two numbers cannot be divided by one number. Clear? So we will write 4 by 9. And then this one is greater. Clear? So in denominator we will write 3 minus 2. Again 3 is greater than y. So y to the power 3 minus 2. So the final answer will be what? Final answer will be 4 by 9 x y. I hope you all have also got the same answer because the basic concept is same here. When the bases are same, what we do with the powers? We simply add the powers. So we'll add and then we will simplify here. Okay? Because in minus sign, in addition, there is no change in sign. But when we put the minus sign, the things get very much changed, because whenever we subtract, we change the sign also. So that is why we will use the concept that when the bases are same, we have to do the addition with the powers. Now, next question. Now, next, if the question is n to the power 2 and here 2, then minus n to the power 2 and then 3. question is minus 3 AB square, then minus 5 A square B C to the power 4 and then square. Okay, let's write the third one also. I hope I'll get the enough place here. 2x and here is what? 3 into 6x square. Okay, and next one is question number 4. This is second, this is first, and the question number 4 is 1 by 4 AB square C, then square of this divided by 3 2A square, then B C square and then 4. I think we will not be able to solve this one because this place is not enough. Anyway, let's try. Okay, so now n square, what we will do here? We will multiply n to the power 2 into 2, 4, and then here is what? Minus n to the power 3 to the 6. Then what we will do? Minus n 4 plus 6. And so answer will be what? Minus n 6 plus 4 is what? 10. So this will be the answer. Minus n to the power 10. Okay. Now here let's solve. Minus sign is here and square of 3, 9. Then a to the power 2, b to the power 2. And here is what? Again minus square of minus sign. Here square of minus sign is not there. But here we have to find out the square of minus sign also. So it will become what? Plus. Then square of 5, 25. Then a to the power 4 because 2 into 2, 4. B to the power 2. And C to the power 4 to the 8. Okay. So in between multiplication sign is here. Clear? So now what we can do here? 25 nines are minus 225. Clear? Then a to the power 2 plus 4. Yes, 6. Okay. Then b to the power 2 plus 2, 4. And here c is not given, but here c is given, c to the power 8. Clear? So here this will be the answer. Minus 225, a to the power 6, b to the power 4 and c to the power 8. Now come to question number 3. 1 by 2x and cube of this. So cube of 1 is what? 1. When you multiply 100 times, then also the answer will be what? 1 here. So here it will be 1 by 2 to the 4 and 4 to the 8. So 8x cube. Okay. Then here into 6x square. 6x square. We can cancel here. 2 4s are 8. 2 3s are 6. So here it will be what? 3 by 4 x to the power 3 minus 2. So it will be 3 by 4 x. Clear? What will be the answer? 3 by 4 x. I hope it is clear. Now let's do this question. Of course this place is not enough, so we will solve it. Clear? One by 2x. Yes, this is just a minute. Here the question I have changed. Okay. So according to this will be the answer. Okay. But if the question is like this, like if square of this is given, then how will solve it? So in that case it will be what? 1 by 8x cube into 6 6 36. So 36 into 36x square. So we can cancel here. Then 2 2s are 4, 9. So 9 by 2 x to the power 3 minus 2. So 9 by 2x. This will be the answer. Okay. So if the question is like this, clear? If the question is this way, means here, if in the question it is given square of 6x, then you will solve it like this. Okay. So now next. Question is 1 by 4 AB square C, and then square of this is given, and this is divided by 3 by 2A square BC square, and here also is what? 4 is given. Then how we will solve this one? Okay, so here 1 square of this means what? 1 by 4 4s are 16, A square B to the power 4 and C square divided by square means 4 is given, power of 3 is given what? 4, means 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, and so this will become 3 3s are 9 and 3 3s are 9 and 9 9s are 81. Clear? So here we can write 81 divided by 2 4 times. 4 times. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. Then A to the power 4 2s are 8, B to the power 4 and C to the power 8. Then we will solve it. So now again we can write 1 by 16 A square B 4 C, then multiplication. When we will change this division into multiplication, we write upside down. Means 16 A to the power 8, B to the power 4, C to the power 8 divided by 81. Okay. So now we can cancel now. 16 and 16 is cancel. Clear. So what is left? 1 by 81. Okay. 1 by 81. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. So 1 by 81. So we will write here 1 by 81. Now A to the power 8 and B to the power 4. So B to the power 4, B to the power 4 cancel. Clear? So we can write here A to the power 8 minus 2 and C to the power 8 minus 2. Okay. So final answer will be what? A to the power 6, C to the power 6 divided by 81. You have to be very careful when you get such type of questions. No, it is not difficult, but you have to focus. So you have to be very careful, and this will be the answer. I hope you all have also got the same answer. Okay, now let's solve the next question. Now, next question is 7p to the power 2, q to the power 9, r to the power 5 and square. And then here 4 p q r to the power 3. And then 14 p to the power 6, q to the power 10 and r to the power 4, and then square of this. Okay, so how we will solve this one? So 7 square means what? Means we can write what? 7 into 7 into p to the power 4, q to the power 18, 9 to the 18, and r to the power 10 into 4 into 4 into 4, 3 times, p to the power 3, q to the power 3 and r to the power 3, and this is divided by what? This is divided by 14. So 14 into 14 into p to the power 12, q to the power 20 and r to the power 8. Okay. Now how will solve it? So 7 2s are 14. 7 2s are 14. Okay. Then 2 2s are 4. Anything left? No. So here what is 4 4s are 16 and 16 2s are 32. So 32 is left. Clear? 32 we have got here. 32. Now P4 and P3. So 4 and 3 7. P to the power 7. Then Q18 and Q3. So 18 and 3 21. So Q to the power 21. Then R to the power 10 and 3 13. Divided by what? P to the power 12. Q to the power 20 and R to the power 8. What we will do? We will subtract. So 32 P to the power. Which one is greater? 4 and 3 7. This is greater, means 12 is greater. So we will not write P here. We will write P in denominator. So 12 minus 7. 12 minus 7 is what? 5. Okay. Then Q. This one is greater. So here we will write Q. 21 minus 20. 1. And then R, which one is greater? Numerator is greater. So R to the power 13 minus 8. 5. So your answer will be what? Your answer will be this one. Q, R and P to the power 5. Okay. Now, so clear? Clear to all of you? Okay. Now let's do the next one. Let's check once again. So here 7p square q to the power 9 r to the power 5 is square. Then 4p q r and 3. Here 14p to the power 6 q 10 r 4 and square. So 7 is square means 7 into 7 p to the power. So 7 into 7 here and here 4. 3 times. 4, 4, 4. Clear? Okay. Then here 14. 14 2 times. So 14 into 14. So 7 2s are 14. Clear? So yes. 2 is left here. So here 2 is left. Yes. Because I am not getting enough place here. So 2 is left here. So here also. Then you can cancel. It will be 16. And so your final answer will be what? 16 q r to the power 5. Divided by p to the power 5. Okay. So this will be the final answer.